close. Let me save it first. Okay, save as test training. We'll replace it. Okay, I replaced it. Then I will disconnect. I will remove my devices. And I will just open my previous configuration. Okay, so imagine you have 12 devices. So instead of doing the auto detect for all the devices, you have just to load your device configuration. If there were scripts added to those devices, I will also find them. And yeah, that's it. Then we can use Nemo Outdoor in playback mode. So after you finish your measurement and maybe there is a specific call you want to check, or you want just to see how the measurement went, you just open one of your previous measurements. Let's say it's too much. Clear all. I will just load one device. So I can, in the playback mode, see the statistics, the parameters. We can also see the events. It's kind of not advanced post-processing, but just if you want to check some things on your previous measurements, I choose a big measurement file. I can take your questions if you have. We need to speed up.
I think your PC is also Core 5, right?
Yes, yes. I think you can see the difference between a Core 5 and Core 7 laptops.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, it's almost done. Okay. So this is the playback view. We can start the playback. We will see the script that was played in this device. And then we can open any parameter here. Let's say the RSRP, I will open it in map. It's not synchronized. So I can just see anything happened in During the measurement, I can see the device status. We can open the events, all the events that was written during the measurement. After the playback is done, or you checked what you want, we stop the measurement and close it, the playback, and close it. And we'll load my device configuration again. Okay. This view is called the workspace. So here we will be able to customize our workspace depending on the test we are gonna do. We will add the parameters we want to see, the graphs. We will see how the type.
Karima? Hello? عندك تقييم؟
Hi guys, sorry, I lost my connection and didn't notice that. I don't know where I was when I lost the connection.
You were in the parameters.
In the parameters?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry again for the interruption. The recording is still going on. Okay. Yeah, so as I said, we have here multiple parameters per technology and per service. You can just come in the searching box and search for your parameter. Or there are custom windows that are also classified per technology and per service. So to open a custom window, you have to select your KPI or window. Select first the item. So I want to see the application throughput downlink, and then I will select for which device and click on OK. So here I'm not doing anything. I'm in idle mode, so I will not have application throughput, but just to let you know how it works, we will see later in details these views. So as we saw for Handy, there are kind of punctual tests that we can do or a scripted test. In services, we can see the kind of punctual tests we can do. Do you have a question?
No, it's okay.
Okay. So we can see here the punctual test we can do. We select first the mobile and then we click here. It will opens a window where we need to configure our call. So we need the number, then the call duration and the voice quality settings. So here we can find all the punctual tests or manual tests we can do. So in options, we have some
ايدك مرفوعة.
Sorry, Karima.
يلون malah يعني أساس dia mau ketemu dari pas itu dengan skill tapi betul yang di pas loh tangan yang naturalnya sendiri
Oh.
Yeah, it's okay now.
Was I muted when I was talking about the punctual tests?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay, sorry again. So as I said, same for Handy. As for Handy, we can do punctual or manual tests. It's like one-time test or the scripted tests. So for the manual tests, I can do, for example, the voice call. I need to just configure the voice call from here. I need to add the phone number, the duration, set up the voice quality if I want to do voice quality tests. Same for the video calls, for the SMS. I have also a few data protocols that we can test manually. Then there are the options. So for options, we can enable or disable the layer 2, 3 RSC capture, the IP packet capture. There are also the forcing method. So same as we saw for Handy, we can lock the devices into a specific system or band or scrambling code or PCI. The default method should work correctly. So, but in specific cases, it doesn't work correctly. So we have to just test one of these methods. We will see later the fourth thing. And yeah, that's it. Then we have the parameters here, the different KPI that we can add to our workspace, and the custom windows. So here we have the custom windows. I can add a graph to my workspace. So I will add a line graph. And then in parameter, I will look for the RSRP and drag and drop it into my graph. This is the first way to do this, to display the RSRP in a graph. Or I will create a new view. I can directly come here and open in a line graph. There are two ways to do it. If I have, for example, I want to show in my workspace the call statistics, so I will open a new parameter grid. I will search for call, and then I have here all the KPIs that include call. And I will select, for example, under voice call, I have the call direction, the call failure cause. We can also add the originating call attempt, drop rate. So the connection until alerting. Same for the terminating call. I will add the attempts, the success rate. Yeah, I can select all the parameters I want and then click on OK. And here I will have the statistics once the script starts. So here it's to open the indoor maps. I can add a new indoor window. So it will ask me to open one of my indoor maps. So here it's the OpenStreetMap, and I can then, when the measurement starts, if I'm doing a drive test, now I'm in static, so I can drag and drop the parameter to my map. And here we have already saw the measurement list. This is the scripting. So if we, as far as I understood, you will not do indoor tests, but if you want to perform indoor tests, then you need first come here and activate the indoor mode. Go again to map, to open your indoor map. And then when you start the measurement, outdoor will ask you to insert your markers. Everything is detailed in the user guide. So if one day you want to do indoor tests, then everything is available there. Then this is the Nemo Cloud. So you don't have the Nemo Cloud solution, but here we can configure it. We will come back later to the settings. Let's try to prepare scripts. So we have here script settings. So here we can find all my scripts. Few of them come with outdoor, so there is few predefined scripts in with your Nemo Outdoor. This is the script group. So let's say that I have a scenario where mobile 1 will call mobile 2, and then mobile 2 will again call mobile 1. So a synchronization between the two devices is needed. To do this, we need to create a new group. Let's say it's mobile to mobile. And I need to add the two devices to this group. Let's say that I have four mobiles, and I want the two first mobiles to be synchronized together, and 3 and 4 to be synchronized together. Then I will need to create a new group for mobile 3 and 4. So let's open the script editor. So here we can see all the comments that I can add to my script. So we have the make voice call, video call. We have the beep application, so we can make video, voice call, send a chat. We have also line application call supported, WhatsApp, Zalo. Then in the messaging, we have also messaging available with Zalo, WhatsApp, Line, and Beep application. In the data section, so we can test the FTP transfer, HTTP transfer, the ping. We have YouTube streaming. We have here Netflix available, but I'm not sure if we can do it at the moment. We can test TWAMP. We have the ping trace route, the emailing tests. Then in social media, we can get Facebook wall feed. We can post an image, a video, a status. Same for Twitter. We can just load a profile, follow a profile, and get a user feed. So here we can also ask the mobile to detach from the network, enable or disable the packet session. We have here the forcing. So the forcing can be done outside the script or inside the script. Yeah, I think we have seen the most important ones. Let's say that we will try to do a mobile to mobile test between mobile 1 and mobile 2. So the basic step is to add first a make voice call. So I need first to add the phone number. Then the call duration, I will, 1 minute is okay. And then we have the call attempt timeout. We can also define the voice quality. And in the voice quality, we will need to use a reference sample file, same as we did yesterday for Handy. So I will choose from one of the reference sample file. I will ask Outdoor to save the sample file, and let's give to my wave files prefix. Then here we ask outdoor to save all the samples. Okay. And then I will add a weight. But as I said before, mobiles 1 and 2 need to be synchronized and they are in the same group. So I will add a weight for all the scripts in the same group to be synchronized. Is this synchronization notion okay for you? So in the weight, we can choose a fixed time, or we can ask outdoor to use a random time between like 0 and 10 seconds. We can wait until time is 4 p.m., for example, or for all the scripts to be synchronized, which means that all the mobiles or the devices that are in the same groups need to wait for each other at this point. So they all need to have this wait for script synchronization. Or a synchronization point, which means that if 30 seconds have been elapsed from the beginning of the measurement. So the device needs to wait until 30 seconds are elapsed before going to the next comment. Or we can choose a wait until custom condition is met. So we can like say until serving system can say like until serving system is equals to, I don't know. It depends on what you want to check. We can add also another condition. Until current system is, so this is similar to what I did here. So the device will wait until the current system is one of the system we choose. Or here we can configure notification. So once that notification is met, the script or the device will be in waiting. So here I will be back to all scripts to be synchronized. Then I will, so here the mobile 1 is calling mobile 2. Then both the device will wait for each other. Then the device 1 will receive a call from device 2. So let me add a receive call command. 1 minute, the call duration, the timeout, we can let it by default or change it to 30 seconds. We have to enable the voice quality, choose our sample or reference file, and save my mobile 2, day 1 mobile 2, and it's okay. Yesterday, if you remember, we talked also. Okay, everything is okay. You are still hearing me, right?
Yeah, it's okay now.
If anything is not okay, please tell me. We can see it again together.
No, we are okay.
Okay. So we defined also the receive call. We talked yesterday about the radio on and off in the starting of the scripts, the voice test scripts. So it's recommended because it will let the mobile to register again to EMS, and we make sure that we will catch the step messages. So I will not add it, but it's recommended to add it in the starting of your script. I will add another wait for script for all scripts to be synchronized. So this is how the scripting part is. Here it's one by default, but we will change it to 1000. So I will ask Outdoor to repeat this script for 1000 times. I will save it as a test. I have already prepared a script for it's quite similar to what we did. I just have to remove this. It's not needed. Okay, close. And I will create a new group. I will assign just a second. Okay. Let me do a screenshot of this one and open the mobile 2 script. So no. Okay. On the left, we can see the script assigned to mobile 1, and here we can see the script assigned to mobile 2. So the two scripts start with wait for script synchronization. So mobile 1 will wait until mobile 2 is also on the same command. Then mobile 1 will start the make voice call command. Same on the mobile 2, it will receive the call. Once the call is over from the two sides, they will again wait for each other at this step. So they will wait for the two mobiles to be synchronized. And again, mobile 2 will make a voice call to mobile 1. So mobile 1 is on receive call and mobile 2 is on make voice call. Once this over, they will both go back to command number 1, which is wait for the script to be synchronized, and this will be repeated 100 times. It's a simple script, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's run it. I will just make sure my devices are okay. So then I just come to the start script. Okay, so now mobile 1 is calling mobile 2. I don't know if you are able to hear the audio sample that is played on both devices.
It's far away, but we can hear it, yeah.
Okay. Then we would like to see, for example, the most scores. Let me search for audio quality most downlink, and I will open it in event grid. So this is for mobile 2 because I have selected mobile 2 and opened the parameter. I can do the same for mobile 1. We need first to select the mobile and then open the same parameter in event grid. So if, for example, I want to prepare a workspace for the whole campaign, and I have in mind a few parameters that are that I need to see during my measurement, so I will close everything. So when I do a voice quality test, the first thing I want to check if there are most scores available. So here we see that they both went to the wait for synchronization, and then they are now making, I hope, the second call. So as I said, we will select mobile 1 and open the most score in event grid. It failed. Then I will select mobile 2 and open in the same window. I need just to click right, open in event grid, and then I have mobile 1 and 2. I can change the position. This is okay, so I will rename my first view, and it's most scores. Then in the second view, I want to open the RSRP in a graph, in the line graph. This is for mobile 2. For mobile 1, I will just select mobile 1, then take my parameter and drag and drop it into the same graph. So here I can see the RSRP for both devices, and I can here switch the views between mobile 1 and mobile 2. There is another important thing for the voice test is the call statistics. So I can just open call attempt. Let's say originate in voice call attempt and open it in parameter grid, and then I will, for the rest of parameters, just drag and drop them on the same page. Or there is a custom view, a custom window here. It's called call statistics. Statistics multi-calls. Select both mobiles. And then here we have the statistics. I will rename this RSRP. This one I will rename it also call statistics. So I can add as many views as I want, and then I will go to the workspace section and save my workspace, training, voice call. And then for my next measurement campaigns, I will need just to open my my workspace, and it will show the statistics for the current measurement. Yeah, questions?
What about if I want to see more parameters like RSCB, ECNO, in the same window?
I mean, you have here the search section. Which parameters do you want to see?
Like when I'm going to make calls, so I want to check for RSCB, ECNO, RSCB,
RSCV,
CB.
RSCB, P.
Yeah, and the ECNO, it's on the chat now.
It depends on the technology. Here I'm in 4G, so I have the RSRP and the RSRQ. If I'm doing tests in 3G, then I have the RSCP.
So
here, if I open, if I open the RSCP for active cells, I will not have anything because I'm in 4G. So in 4G, we have the RSRP parameter. Let me open the packet technology KPI. So it will show me which technologies the device were attached to which networks the device were attached to during the measurement, and we can see only LTE. So if then we come to the forcing feature. Let me stop this measurement, and I will force my device to attach to a 3G network. Okay. Okay, let's open the band login. So here I will unselect everything and let just the UMTS system. I will unselect LTE and NR. Okay, and I will log. You can see here my mobile went from 3G to 4G, from 4G to 3G, sorry. And in this case, I will open a new view, RSCP, then my graph, then yeah. Here I can see from the moment I forced my mobile to connect to 3G only, I have the RSCP values. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah, let's continue with the forcing feature. So we can just lock my device to a system, or I can just ask it to connect to attach to a certain band, and I select the ones that I'm not interested in, and again I can lock. Then we can enable or disable the carrier aggregation. We have the channel lock. So now I'm in 3G, so I will just again unlock the forcing to 3G. Unlock all systems. So here I can select, I think we have, yeah. So here I can select an available cell, and I will just select one of them, so we can see here the PCI and the channel number. I will log. Let's check if it worked. I will look for the PCI parameter, physical cell ID, open in parameter grid. And I see here the PCI I logged my mobile to, so the lock worked well. And then we can also select a network. We can do a scan, but we need first to deregister the mobile. You can see here. And I will do a scan. Or I can add manually the network by adding the PLMN ID. Maybe the scan will take a few seconds. but it will show here the list of the available networks. Yeah, so here we have the list of the available networks. I will just close and I will do a radio off and on my terminal to just let it register again to the network to LTE. Any questions? I'm sure you have, guys. In 3 hours, you have many questions, I guess. Okay. Is how to create a workspace, save it clear, Abdurrahman? Or do you want me to show you again how to customize a workspace?
No, I think it's okay. I will just try by myself, and if I find difficulties in something, I will ask you tomorrow.
Okay. Let me try to do another script, but a data test this time. Um, um, by the way, from outdoor, you can check if there is NATA updates available, or you can also update your NATA application. So you can do a radio off and on the devices. We have seen the forcing features, and here let me open this. I will unload the script. Let's say I want to test an HTTP transfer. We need to add the comment. There is you can add here the measurement profile that we saw in the beginning. Then we have to put here the URL. I will use a test server available on the internet. I will try to copy and paste. Then we need to define the direction. So I will download from this server. Here we can define the timeout. And here it's all of the Nemo server settings. Okay, I will add a wait. So a wait is needed between each comment to let handy go outdoor go properly to the next comment. So I will just add 5 seconds wait, and then we can also test the browsing. So it's simple web browsing. Let's say Wikipedia. That's it. And again, wait of 5 seconds. We can add like send SMS. Test. I can also add the YouTube test. Let's say this one. Okay, if you have the video quality option, then you can also use it. I need to add a wait between the SMS comment and the YouTube comment. Has been added at the end of the script, and I will just move it between these two comments. I will ask Outdoor to play the script 10 times and save as data test. So this time I will do a test only on mobile one, so there is no need for a synchronization. Like they are not communicating with each other. I will just unload the script from mobile 2 and start. No, it's still. Let me first unload the scripts from everywhere. No, and add the data test here. And again, start the script. The recording is started automatically. So there is no script added in mobile 1, so I will close it. We have here, we can see the comment status near to each comment. So, and there is here a counter. So I have added a 10 seconds wait, so I can here see the counter, the timer. And yeah, I have a fail in the YouTube test. I need to check it, but it's okay. Then it's running the second iteration. So let's check what we can see in data parameters. Let me just close all of these views. Okay, then we have so you can add a page, rename it, or delete it. So I need to check what kind of parameters are available for the HTTP transfer. So I have the attempt, so I will add parameters create. So I have the attempt, so there is no attempt in mobile 1 because there is no script in mobile 1. I have script only in mobile 2. I can change the view in properties. I don't want to see mobile 1 as there is nothing there. I unselect mobile 1 and click on OK. Okay, I have only downlink attempt, so I will also, if I add the uplink, I have 0 because I'm just downloading from that server. We can add the transfer failure. We can also add the sexes. Okay, so we have 5 attempts and 5 sexes. We can also add the application throughput. So we can, it's better to add it in a line graph view. Let me open another page and open the line graph. So I will rename this HTTP transfer. And the second page, the app throughput. Okay. This is for the first test we are doing, the HTTP transfer. It's the end of the date, okay? The day. Then we have the browsing. So we did a browsing test. Let's see what kind of parameters do we have for that test. Okay, it's under the HTTP browsing. So we have again the connection attempts. Maybe we can also add the connection time. We have the dropped disconnections and normal disconnections. We can also here unselect mobile 1 because there is no information there. And so we can choose a parameter from this list, drag and drop it in my view, or I can go to properties, and select here my parameter, HTTP browsing. I can add the success rate. The robot average. Okay. And then for the YouTube test, I can also search for YouTube in my parameters view, and then all the parameters for YouTube's are coming in. So this is for the YouTube video quality. Okay. We can also look for streaming. So in the streaming, we have many available KPIs. Let me open again a new view. Then we will, so we have maybe it's not the right one. Maybe select by one. I don't know why. I mean, we are supposed to find some YouTube KPIs even. It's not. It was not success test, but yeah, this is only for the video quality. Any questions regarding the data test we did? We tested. Are you still there, guys? Okay. Then there is one parameter that I would like to show you, the event ID. So here we can see from the beginning of the recording all the events that are written to the measurement file. So if you want to filter on some events, you can right click and look for configure filters. Then I can so we start by showing all the lines. Then we hide if a line message or an event name, or like I want, for example, to see I want to check if there is data disconnections. So I think it's, or to check if there is any textual error not. So recorded when critical measurement tool or device error occur. Then I will start by showing all the lines. I will hide if an event ID. So event ID, I will just filter on this event ID. I will hide a line if the event ID doesn't contain error. And here we can see few events coming in. So it says invalid, host invalid, and so on. So depending on what you are looking for, you can just again enable the filter, configure the filters, and look for the event. You can also configure like coloring, quick color. So we can color only those events, just to be able to find them quickly. Configure colors. So I can configure color for a specific event, so I can then find it quickly in my during my search. Sorry, I will come back in 2 minutes, guys. Sorry. Yeah, so I'm back again. Guys, I need to, maybe Abdurrahman, I will need to check if the license is available on your laptop, please. Are you available to check that with you? If anyone has Nemo Outdoor installed on the PC, then I will need to check something quickly, please.
Okay.
Please check if Qualcomm X70 is on your license information options.
Okay, I will check it.
Okay. Do you have any questions regarding what we did in the data test?
No, thank you.
Okay. I don't know if there is something else we can together. Yes. Let me. Yeah. When you stop the recording, so you will have a pop-up message asking you if you want to stop the recording. So you will click on
Qualcomm
yes. Yeah.
X70 is not exist.
Sorry.
Not exist Qualcomm X70.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, when you stop the recording, it will ask you if you really want to stop the recording. Then you have this window appearing. So we have two devices. So we have two different log files. So we have one log file per device. The extension is NMFS, and all the measurement files are ending with the phone, like phone 1.nmfs, 2.nmfs, etc. Then it asks you if you want to save statistics to file, so it will save a CSV file that contains global measurement statistics. You can choose to send the measurement results to a server. So you need then to configure your FTP server or any other server. Okay, you can ask to not show this dialog again. You can choose also to compress your measurement file and to include the pcap files to your zip. But to do that, you need to first enable the IP capture in the settings, and then we click to save. So where our measurement files are saved in the PC, in our laptops. So there is a Nemo tools folder. Inside that folder, you will find a results folder. And in these results, you can see all your measurement files. For a compressed measurement file, inside it you will find the CSV, the file containing the statistics, GPX file, and our two measurement files for mobile 1 and mobile 2. I think we didn't talk a lot about the settings. Yeah, so in the settings preferences, you can customize your log file name. You can ask always to compress the measurement file, to include the pcap file or not. You can also choose to start the recording directly or automatically when device starts. What else? Then there is some.
What about sorry?
Yeah.
What about the directory of saving log file?
Yes, we can. Yeah, we can modify that. Let me just find where this can be done. Yes, in paths. So you can change the results. Now, by default is in C, Nemo tools, then results, but you can change it or select directly the folder from the laptop. You can also change all these.
It's okay now. Okay.
Sorry,
It's okay now.
what's okay?
I have known the places of
Okay.
the directory now. Yeah.
Okay, then in presentation we have everything related to the metrics, etc. We can change the and yeah, one more thing in the graphs. We can change also the color legend for the graphs. We have predefined color legends for each parameter, but if for any reason you want to change the color legend, that's okay. Okay, here you have your color legend and I think we can change it. Yeah, color set editor. So here you can see all the color legends we have, and you can change them based on your needs. I think I have shared with you everything I wanted to share. Any questions, guys?
Sorry, Karima, can you check messages?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, no problem. If you can practice tomorrow and have any, I can answer. I will stop the recording.
Volati.
now I